Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 208 in the Allure Premium specification. So this vehicle features a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. So for this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.